Hello world, how's it going? Here we are for another tutorial of the white ghost. The more happy, the more I learn. Well, I get in the car yesterday and I'll be damned. My parking sensor is not working. So I'm like, what in the world? But I see it on the screen, right? So I got a few parts and stuff laying around. So I pulled the navigation system because it wasn't showing no navigation on the screen. You dig? So that wasn't the problem. So I pulled right here the communications unit. That ain't the problem. So I pulled right here the Bluetooth unit. That wasn't the problem. The Logic 7. That wasn't the problem. My navigation. That wasn't a problem. I had an extra one on hand, but I didn't even get a chance to use it because I found out the problem. Well, the problem seems to be, hold on. Well, the problem seems to be is that my satellite radio went out and the whole system runs on the fiber optic system, meaning the AX unit, which is right there, that main unit right there, that's the main source, and it's a fiber optic line. And it runs to the CD player, the CD changer. See right there with a little button at, that's CD changer. And it runs all the way through the car, all the way back to the C-pillar back there on the back. See back there on the C-pillar? Right there. Right there where I'm shining the light at, that whole little mechanism right there. It's a AM and FM transmitter. It runs to that and it runs to the trunk. And it runs through all of these units and runs all the way back into the car to the main unit. So I couldn't figure out at first which module was thrown off. So I did a little research, and I knew a little bit about it, but I just had to refresh my memory of it. Come to find out, satellite radio, which is right here. Some series have it, some don't. A lot of 3 series and 5 series might have them. Some 750s have them, some 750 LIs have them, and some don't. That went out. So I had an extra fiber optic on hand. You feel what I'm saying? Right here. So I'm finna show y'all how this works. Alright, we back. Pull this out. Sit this to the side. This is fiber optic loop. It's a whole circle, man. The whole thing is a circle. And I'm gonna just plug it. The plug back in here. Okay. So the navigation is hooked up. Logic 7 hooked up. Alright, now say check me out. Go in the car. Get in the car, insert key, supposed to present the BMW. See how long that's taking? It ain't supposed to take that long. Still takes forever. Okay, now it pops up. So, okay. iDrive loads up. See how I hit that? Go to navigation. No navigation. Go back to menu. Go down to FM. See no numbers by the FM. See no CD. none of that, whatever the case. Because that means a loop is open somewhere in the what's the name. Alright, we're going to turn this off. Bag y'all. Daddy daycaring this morning while my baby at work. Gotta check on my other baby. Okay, she's in there occupied for right now, so I'm gonna have to hurry this up. She's gonna be at the door screaming, daddy this, daddy that. Okay. Alright, now. Oh, almost lost it. Them reflex, baby, baby. Alright. We're gonna plug the loop. Okay, we're gonna unplug this like we did just then. Oh yeah, let me show you. So, man, let me turn this on. So as you turn it on, you come back here, right? So you pull the module. If you have a light blinking, my fucking trunk was leaking, man. I gotta change that. It was leaking my damn hydraulic fluid from a what's the name. So I gotta fix that. Another video I'm gonna get with y'all on. See how the light is blinking? That means it's getting power. Oh, sorry. Alright. See how that's blinking? Pull it out for y'all so y'all get a good bird's eye view. See that? See how it's blinking? Well, you see that? See how it's blinking? That means it's getting power. Okay. Plug that in. Alright, Bluetooth. We got power, baby. We got power. See that? So, we get power to all of them. Even to that. Even when you unplug this. Getting power. Alright. That's the last module that runs off to the amplifier. But when you come to the amplifier, no light. No light. Alright. But when I plug in this fiber optic loop, we get some light, baby. So, plug this back in. It's hard to see, cause when you pull it out, you'll see it. Come on, baby. This is how you pull the tabs out. You put it back in like that. You pull them out, see? Then how you go like that. And see, you take this plug. Come on, man. Yeah. Clear out all those little, see? Now we got all that going. CD changer might not be on.
Please speak.
Alright. Well, who use CDs anyway? But I am going to oh, it ain't no CDs in there, that's why. It's a CD in here. See? Okay. See how them tracks popped up? Damn it. Shit, snatch it back in quick. Ain't no CDs in the CD changer. So my CD changer does work. There's just no CDs in the CD changer. So that's how you do it. That's how you get it back together. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I put all this back together. Be back at y'all with more videos. If you like, comment, subscribe, hit the link, however all they say, however they do on me with this. But hey, we gonna get it all together. But I'm gonna come back at y'all with more videos. Trust me, I got plenty of projects to show for. See y'all when I see y'all.